Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video we'll be drawing a triangle from exercise 11.1, question number 6, which says draw a triangle ABC with side BC equal to 7 centimeters, angle B equal to 45 degrees, angle E equal to 105 degrees. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC, which means we need to draw a bigger triangle. First we have to draw a triangle ABC, where BC is given as 7 centimeters. Then we are told that angle B is 45 degrees, so angle B will be something like this, 45 degrees. Okay. And we are told that angle A, which is somewhere over here, okay, is 105 degrees. So if we complete the triangle out here, and if this is 105 degrees, you will be wondering how to construct this triangle, this angle. But you don't have to construct this particular angle. In fact, if you have to use the property of the sum of all angles of a triangle, which says that the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, which means that if you add angle A, angle B, angle C, it will be equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is given to us as 105 degrees, angle B is given as 45 degrees, angle C we don't know, not given. Everything is equal to 180 degrees. If we add this 2, this will give us 150 degrees plus angle C, which is equal to 180 degrees. If we take 150 degrees on the other side, it becomes negative. 180 degrees minus 150 degrees will give us 30 degrees. So what we know is that angle C will become 30 degrees. In this, if we all we need to do is construct this as 30 degrees. If we have construct this as 30 degrees, 45 degrees, this will automatically become 105 degrees. We don't have to worry about it. Okay, so that's all we need to do in this construction of triangle ABC. Once we get this 105 degrees, our next job is to construct the new triangle, and we are given that we need to construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC, which means we need to construct a triangle that is bigger than this one, because the denominator is smaller than the numerator. So it will be something along these lines. It will get extended, BC will get extended to C dash, and we'll have to draw another triangle somewhere along this line, and A will also get extended to A dash, and that will connect to C, and we'll get a new triangle. Okay, so let's begin to construct our new triangle. First we'll begin with drawing line BC, which is 7 centimeters. Erase this. Okay, so let's erase this. Here you go. This is 7 centimeters BC, and mark this as B and C. Next I'll construct 45 degrees. To construct 45 degrees, if you do not know how to construct 45 degrees, then please look at the link in the description box below, and you will be able to see the video how we construct 90 degrees and an angle bisector to 90 degrees. That gives us 45 degrees. So let's first construct 90 degrees. Okay, once we construct 90 degrees, it will become easier to construct 45 degrees. Let's construct 90 degrees first. Okay, we construct this arc, then we take the same measurement and keep a point over here. We'll cut this arc here, then we keep the pointer at the point of intersection between these two arcs, and we draw an arc here and draw another arc like this, and then we keep the same with the same measurement. We'll keep the pointer here and we will cut this arc here. So at the point of intersection we'll have to draw a line through that from B, and that should give us our 45 degrees. Okay, so from B passing through the intersection will give us, hold on, there you go, that gives us 90 degrees, but we are not interested in 90 degrees, we are interested in 45 degrees. So we measure this, we just need to take it great slightly, the measurement that needs to be taken is slightly greater than this half of this arc. So I've done that already. I'll mark an arc over here and I'll keep the point out here. To cut this arc, so it's not meeting, so keep it back over here. I'll make sure the intersection is complete like this. Mark the point where the two arcs intersect, and I draw a line from B there you go. So that will be a 45 degrees. Next we need to draw 30 degrees from point C. So for that we need to first draw 60 degrees arc. I keep the pointer here in the same measurement and cut an arc over here. That is our 60 degrees, but we do not need 60 degrees, we need 30 degrees. So I'll measure it from here to here, point where the two meet, make sure the point is clear. This is 60 degrees, okay, don't get confused, this is 60 degrees. And now we need to draw an angle bisector to 60 degrees, just like how we drew 45 degrees. We took the angle bisector to 90 degrees. Once again I'll take measurement that is slightly greater than the arc that is formed, and if you need a detailed explanation on how 30 degrees is drawn, the link is there in the description box. It will take you to the video where we have constructed 30 degrees and 60 degrees as well. Okay, now where the two arcs intersect, I'll mark the point, and from C passing through this point, here you go, I will draw a line such that it meets the other line out there. And that gives us A. This is our 105 degrees, this is our 45 degrees, and this will be our 30 degrees, but you don't have to mark that. We are asked to construct only 105 degrees and 45 degrees. So our triangle ABC is complete now. Our next job is to construct a new triangle which is 4 by 3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC, which means let's draw an acute angle from B this way, and we'll cut it into 4 equal parts. I already taken some measurements, so we will start cutting equal parts. 1, keep the point out here, 2, keep the point out here, here, 3, then another point, 4. Okay, got it. Now next is, since we are told it is 4 by 3 times, that means the third cut will have to be joined to C. This point here. Here we go. I'll mark this as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now we'll have to construct another line that is parallel to B3C. For that I'll extend BC further. There you go. I've extended this further. So let us look to construct a line parallel to that. So what I'll do is, from here I will draw an arc, this, and with the same measurement I'll draw an arc from B4 as well, like this. That's how we have been constructing parallel lines. And I'll take the measurement from here to here. Okay, and keep the pointer here. Okay, and sorry, I'll keep the pointer out here. And I'll cut this arc here, like this. Now where the two arcs intersect, I'll mark this point, and from B4 I will draw a line that is passing through this point of intersection and meeting this extension of C. This way. Okay, and I'll mark this as C dash out here. So our next job is to construct another line reaching up to the extension of A that is parallel to AC. Let's do that. I'll take some measurement. And once again from C I'll take some measurement. I'll take it slightly less. Here you go. From C dash with the same measurement, I'll mark this. Here you go. And now I'll measure this arc out here. Okay. And I'll keep this over here, out here. Not this one, but this one out here. Okay. I'm keeping the point over here. And I'm constructing another arc such that this arc gets intersected, the one which I had drawn. Now I'll mark the point where the two arcs intersect, and from C dash I'll have to draw another line passing through the points of intersection. This way. Okay, and I'll mark this as A dash. So now you see we've got a new triangle A dash B C dash, which looks obviously larger, which is larger than triangle ABC that we had constructed earlier. And we can easily say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash, and because these angles should be the same, this one and this one, okay, and by BPT we can say that B4 upon B3 is equal to BC dash upon BC, but B4 is what? 4, and B3 is 3. It should be equal to BC dash upon BC. And because these two triangles are similar, we can say BC dash upon BC is equal to, this is just a justification, is equal to BA dash upon BA, which is equal to C dash upon A dash upon CA. But BC dash upon BC we know is 4 upon 3, which means this holds true even for BA dash upon BA and also for C dash upon A dash. In other words, it's trying to tell you that the new triangle is actually 4 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Okay, so we have completed another problem from exercise 11.1. If you have liked watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.